welcome to TC Electronics. So this video we are going to see a recruitment news from CDAC. So CDAC Mohali is recruiting for the post of project manager, project engineer and project associate. There is 3 openings for project manager post and 16 vacancies is there for project engineer and 4 vacancies there for project associate. So we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment from CDAC. A lot of people are actually interested in seeing this news updates or recruitment updates from CDAC, Keltron, all these organizations. Okay, so here it is. There is a recruitment news from CDAC. So let us see the details of various posts. First post is project manager. Actually, there is 3 separate vacancies, and these project manager vacancies actually for various categories. Okay, so they have actually given all the post-wise details. You can see here. Totally 14 post details they have given. Okay, first let us see the project manager details. Project manager is actually a higher end post, so it is actually for experienced candidates. Okay, anyway, let us see the details. First one, project manager. Here it is actually for software design and development. Okay, and the duration, these posts are actually they have mentioned as contract basis. On contract basis they are recruiting, but it is again further extendable up to the completion of the project. Okay, so 1 year they have given here, but it is further extendable. The location is CDAC Mohali, but anyway, if you are getting selected, you may have to transfer to any location of CDAC. Okay, not just in Mohali, but to any other locations also you may have to relocate, okay. The qualification they're asking is first class BTech MCA with 11 years of experience. Okay, and also the skill set they're asking is Java, Python, then MySQL, Linux programming, network data analysis. All these are the areas of experience they are asking, or the skill set they are asking. Next one, second category, project manager, again for software design and development. Here also you are requiring 11 years of experience. Then, so the project manager is actually a higher end post. They are asking 11 years of experience. Next, let us see the details of project engineer. There is actually 16 vacancies for project engineers. Let us see what is the qualification they are asking. So for project engineer, you are requiring either first class BTech or MCA or equivalent degree, or postgraduate degree, that is BSc or MSc candidates, not BSc, MSc candidates with computer science, electronics, IT, computer applications with 1 year of experience. Or if you have ME, MTech in the given branches, then you are also eligible to apply. Okay, so you should be either having BTech MCA or ME, MTech MCA, or if you have MSc in computer science, electronics, IT, these branches with 1 year of experience, then you are eligible to apply. Okay, so for project engineer, freshers can also apply if you have BTech or ME, MTech, and if you have BSc plus MSc with 1 year of experience, also you are eligible to apply. Okay, so this is the details regarding the qualification. So project engineers, there is actually 16 opening is there, and for project engineers, freshers can also apply. Okay, freshers with BTech or ME, MTech can also apply. Next, last category is project associate. For project associate, 4 openings or 4 vacancies there. Let us see the qualification detail. So the qualification is the same actually. First class BTech MCA or postgraduate degree in computer science, electronics, IT, computer applications with 1 year of experience. Or if you have master or master in technology, that is ME, MTech in the respective branches, then also you are eligible to apply. Okay. So that's all about the details of project associate. There is a qualification details. Now let us see the salary they are saying. So all these posts they have given is for 1 year, but it is further extendable up to the requirement of the project. Okay. So minimum 1 year of job they are saying as guaranteed. Okay. But it is further extendable depending on the project. Now the salary they are saying is for the engineer, it is from 31,000 to 1,35,000 per month. And the maximum age limit is 37 years is the maximum age limit. Okay. Next, let us see for project associate. Here the salary they are saying is 20,000 to 52,500 per month. Maximum age limit is 35 years. Okay. So that's all about the qualification detail, the salary and the pay level. That is the pay level and the age details. Now let us see the application procedure. So along with each post, you can see that there is an icon called apply now. Just click on this icon. You can directly apply here. So if you click on this icon, you will get a form. First, there are some instructions. Then first you have to register with CDAC and then you have to apply online. Okay, so this is for the new registration, and you have to also upload your certificates and all while applying. Okay, so that is the application procedure. Now let us see the selection process. So the selection process will be through written test / interview. Okay, now there will be either written test or there will be written test plus interview will be there. Okay, now the test will be covering subjects like English, logical reasoning, numerical ability, domain knowledge, that is whichever branch you are belonging to, that respective branch knowledge, or specific functions and discipline. Okay, so that is the syllabus they have given for the written test, which is going to be happening as a selection process. And also after the written test, there will be interview also. Okay, so that is going to be the selection process. The qualification they have already given. Again, they have given once again the regular courses. You have to do BE Tech or ME Tech if you have done. It should be as a regular course from the AICTE approved universities or institutes. Okay, so that's all about the details regarding the qualification. And also one important thing you have mentioned here is candidates who are awaiting the final year results are not eligible to apply. So final years cannot apply here. Okay, so only if you have passed out, that is BE Tech or ME Tech, only if you are pass out candidates, only then you are eligible to apply. Final years cannot apply. Okay, so that is a very important information, because a lot of people do ask me regarding the final year details. They are not eligible to apply here. Okay, so that is the selection process, and the application procedure also we have seen here. Now talking about the last date for applying. So the last date for applying they have given here. The last date for online registration is April 8th is the last date. The last date for paying the fees is April 9th. The date for written test interview they have not given here, but will be announcing or will be providing in the website as soon as possible. They will be updating. Okay, or if you're getting shortlisted, you will get a mail from their side. Okay, so that is all about the recruitment update from CDAC. So the CDAC, actually now they are recruiting for a lot of openings, and freshers are also eligible to apply. So if you are interested, please do apply for it. And another important thing I want to share here is there is fees for applying. Fees details also they have mentioned here. So the fees is, application fees is 500 rupees is there for male candidates, and for female candidates and also for SC, ST, persons with disabilities and economically weaker section, these candidates are exempted from the fees. Okay, so the last date also we have seen, the fee detail also we have seen. So we have seen all details regarding the recruitment update from CDAC. So if you are interested, please to apply for it as soon as possible. So if you found this video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.